In today's video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about the upcoming iPhone 17 series, which is expected to launch in September 2025. From design changes and new models to camera improvements and pricing, this is shaping up to be one of the biggest iPhone updates in years. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the different models. In 2025, Apple is planning to release 4 new iPhones. These are the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and a brand new one called the iPhone 17 Air. Yes, Apple is finally dropping the Plus model because it hasn't been very popular. The new Air model will take its place as a fresh mid-range option for people who don't want to pay Pro prices but still want something new. The iPhone 17 Air is going to be very thin, thinner than any iPhone before it. It might be around 6mm thick, and some reports even say it could be as thin as 5.5mm. The screen size is expected to be 6.6 inches, which makes it bigger than the iPhone 17 Pro, which will have a 6.3-inch display but smaller than the Pro Max, which will have a 6.9-inch display. Now let's talk about the design. The regular iPhone 17 is expected to look a lot like the iPhone 16, but the iPhone 17 Air and both Pro models will have brand new designs. The Air might have a pill-shaped camera bump in the center, while the Pro models could switch to a horizontal rectangular camera layout. These rumors come from leaked images of dummy models and internal parts. The Pro models might also stop using titanium and switch to a mix of glass and aluminum on the back. This would make the phones more durable while still keeping features like MagSafe. And yes, MagSafe is staying, and all the new models, including the iPhone 17 Air, will support it. There's also a chance that the phones will support a faster point-to-point wireless charging system, which can go up to 50 watt. But remember, even if the technology allows it, Apple may limit the actual charging speed. Moving on to displays, this is where it gets exciting. For the first time ever, all 4 models are expected to have promotion technology. That means every iPhone 17 model will have a 120Hz refresh rate. This will make everything from scrolling to watching videos much smoother. Apple is using LTPO OLED panels for this, which can adjust the refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz depending on what you're doing. Some models might also get an always-on display feature, though it's not clear if this will come to every version or just the Pro models. When it comes to performance, we're hearing about new A19 chips being used in most of the iPhone 17 series. The regular iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air might get the standard A19 chip, while the Pro models could use a more powerful A19 Pro chip. There's a small chance that the base model might stick with the A18 chip, but that isn't confirmed yet. On top of that, the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and Air could get 12GB of RAM. That's an upgrade from the 8GB found in today's iPhones. Apple might also introduce a new vapor chamber cooling system in all iPhone 17 models, which will help keep the phone cooler during gaming or other heavy use. As for network and Wi-Fi, the iPhone 17 Air might be the first iPhone to use Apple's own 5G modem and a new Wi-Fi 7 chip. The other models are likely to keep using Qualcomm modems for now. However, all 4 models are expected to use a new custom Apple Wi-Fi chip that will improve battery life and wireless performance. Now let's talk about the cameras. All models are expected to get a new 24-megapixel front-facing camera, which will be a big jump from the current 12-megapixel selfie camera. This means clearer selfies, better video calls, and nicer portraits. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could come with 3 48-megapixel cameras wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, and may even support 8K video recording for the first time. The iPhone 17 Air might have a single 48-megapixel rear camera, while the regular iPhone 17 will have 2 cameras wide and ultra-wide. Some rumors also say the Pro models might get a mechanical aperture feature, which lets you control how much light enters the camera. Plus, Apple could add a new dual video recording feature, letting you record with the front and back cameras at the same time. For battery news, Apple may make batteries easier to replace by using a new type of adhesive. Charging speeds should stay the same, up to 35-watt wired charging, but wireless speeds might improve with Chat 2.2 if Apple allows it. Finally, let's talk about prices. The iPhone 17 is expected to start at $799, the iPhone 17 Air at $899, and the iPhone 17 Pro at $999. Prices might go up a little because of rising costs, but Apple will probably highlight the new features to make up for it. The new iPhones should be announced in September 2025, and at least one model has already passed early production tests. So everything seems to be on schedule. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.